What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stasiaa here. So for today's video, I have a simple and easy get ready with me. I would consider this definitely an everyday look, aside from the, the under eye glitters. But yeah, this look is very simple and very easy to replicate if you would like to. But yeah, so I'm just going to be adding some curls to my 28-inch bundles. Okay, super cute. Yeah, so I love how they came out. Really nice, really bouncy. I didn't use many products, but yeah, during the video, I will definitely let you guys know which products was used to create these curls. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump straight into this video. But first, please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe, sis. And I thank you in advance. Okay, so as y'all can see, I've already sectioned off the hair. Now I'm just using some of my freeze spray onto a large chunk of hair. Now, for this look, I'm going to be achieving a fair faucet type of curl. So I'm using my 2-inch curling iron. Now, I've been asked about this curling iron so many times. This is the 2-inch barrel from Hot Tools. Hot Tools is the company, but I purchased this curling iron from Amazon. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this curling iron yourself, please let me know down below in the description box, and I will gladly go over to my Amazon account and find this direct link for you and list it in the description box for you as well. Now, the look I'm going for today is my Fair Faucet curls. That is just a simple, sexy, soft curl, and you want to do it away from the face. So you're going to curl the hair away from the face, if that makes sense. And now I am going to be pin curling this hair because I'm starting from scratch. And by scratch, I mean with straight hair. It is so much easier to curl hair if you are starting with textured hair. By texture, I mean deep wave, loose deep wave, something of that sort, to where as though the curl will definitely last a whole lot longer and you will not have to use as much holding spray. So anyway, yeah, this wig, speaking of this unit, you guys, I actually made this unit myself. The hair is from Alipearl.com. Now, I have purchased a 20-inch frontal as well as a 22, 24, 26, and 28-inch bundles. This is their Brazilian straight hair. Excuse me, I can't even talk. This is the Brazilian straight hair. Like I said, I've made this unit myself, and I have uploaded a video for how to make a wig tutorial probably about 2 months ago, but I will link that somewhere on the screen or in the description box for you guys if you are interested in learning how to make your own wig or just seeing my method. Maybe the link will be somewhere for you guys to go straight to that. So yeah, back to my pin curls. I used to be a beast in high school, you guys, when it came to pin curls. Me and my friends, that's all we had was pin curls, okay? I don't know what happened, but I am so rusty. It is a shame. So this right here is a easy way to get the perfect pin curl without doing the pin curl. I don't know if y'all caught that, but all you have to do is just slide the hair off of the barrel, hold it with one hand, and slip the clip on in, and then voila, this is the finished result. They are not perfect, but it's good enough. Spray you some holding spray on it afterwards, and you should be fine. So now, moving on to my face. First and foremost, let me apologize to you guys because I really do owe y'all a everyday makeup tutorial, okay? I am so sorry. I have been getting requested to do that makeup tutorial for some time now, and I've been so caught up in doing my clothing reviews and those hauls, because it's like when you purchase these clothes and you try to do the videos, I don't know where everybody I don't know where everybody getting all this money from, but the clothes and stuff is selling out extremely fast. So it's like I try to upload that as soon as possible, just in case if you guys would like to purchase some of the items that I've bought, y'all have the chance to do that before they sell out. So I have definitely been neglecting my hair and makeup tutorials, but rest assured, baby, because I am definitely back, and the very next video I upload will definitely be a fully detailed tutorial on my everyday look. By everyday, I'm talking full coverage, okay? For those of you who do not know, I am a full coverage type of chick. So if that's not what you're into, you may not like my tutorials. I'm gonna just let y'all know that right now. So again, I thank you guys so much for returning back to my channel and sticking with me. I really do appreciate y'all. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so that way y'all will be notified each and every single time I upload a video. Again, I thank you guys and I love y'all so much. Okay, so first, initially, I was not going to, really talk through this video. I don't know. I can't really describe the headspace that I'm in right now, but it's not a bad one. It's definitely not a bad one. It's just a awkward one. I would say it's very awkward. So, I don't know. I've been a little bit, MIA. I normally like to upload videos. Well, I normally upload videos every week, like at least once a week. But I had to go on a little hiatus, okay? Like I needed a little break. Not from YouTube necessarily, but just, sometimes in life you need time for yourself. You need time to yourself to gather yourself, okay? So that's pretty much what's been going on with me. Like I said, nothing bad. I'm still blessed, beyond blessed, and I thank God for that. I just needed me a little break. All right, I know I told y'all that I was going to try to talk through this video, but yeah, I'm not really in a mood to talk. So anyway, yeah, now I'm just going to be taking some of this glitter and just applying it, the lower lid. I guess that's what you want to call it. All right, guys. So before we go ahead and move on to the glosses, I wanted to share with you guys that I use the crayon cases liner in the color Bear. This is my ultimate favorite liner for women of color, darker skin tones, brown skin, whatever. So yeah, this is my go-to. I wear it with any lipstick, any gloss. It will go perfectly fine with it for me. So yeah, before I get into the packaging and everything of the gloss, I just wanted to first tell y'all that the glosses I'm going to be using today are from a brand named Janvier by Bianca. Now I know I probably screwed it up, all extra with it, but she was nice enough to send this thank you card right here. As y'all can say, it just says, "Hey beautiful, thank you," and down below it does have a coupon code, 10% off my next order. And of course I'm not giving y'all my code, okay? Okay, click on the link down below in the description and purchase something, okay? Purchase it for full price and you might just get a coupon code. So next I wanted to show y'all the business card. Her business cards are freaking gorgeous, okay? And y'all look at the note she left on the back for me. I was like, oh my God, I love your YouTube. Congrats on everything, Queen. XOXO. Y'all, this made me so happy, because it's moments like this when I kind of feel like out of whack a little bit and I don't really know what's the cause of it. But yeah, it's things like this that I appreciate so much. And so for my good sis to send me this, it just felt so good. it just feels good being acknowledged, okay? So yeah, this was super dope and thoughtful of her. I love this so much. I'm definitely going to hang this up on my vanity just as a reminder to keep on going. So next, on to her packaging. Y'all do not mind this in right here. I'm always tearing stuff up when I'm trying to open it with my nails. Long or short, it really does not matter. So anyway, yeah, gorgeous, super gorgeous packaging, you guys. It's like a Barbie pink color, as y'all can see. So now, on to the glosses. The first shade I'm going to show you guys is this one right here. This is in the shade Fiji. This is definitely a Barbie pink color. I really do love this shade right here. Okay, and for the second gloss, we have this gorgeous nude one right here. This is in the shade Tropez. I think this is super gorgeous. I love that it's like a light nude, but not too light. This will go great on anybody's skin tone. And for my last shade here, we have Bear With Me. This is more like of a chocolate nude color. I'm going to put all three of them together so you guys can see. Hold up, let me get it right. Let me get it right. So yeah, here we have all three. This is in Bear With Me, Tropez, and Fiji. Okay, so before I forget to let you guys know, this gloss is in the color Tropez. Oh my god, it is so gorgeous, especially with this brown liner. And now for my eyelashes, these are by the company Cold Eye Candy and in the style Candy Girl. Now, her website isn't quite up and running as of yet. It is still in the works, but you can definitely purchase these directly from her Instagram page. I will have that listed in the description box as well. All right, y'all. So that wraps up this video. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. And do not forget to click the link in the description box below. So that way you guys can purchase some of these bomb-ass glosses as well as some lashes. So yeah, definitely click that link down below in the description box. And just check out the website. Check out the website for yourself, okay? You may see some goodies up there that you would like to purchase. Like I said, she specializes in glosses as well as eyelashes. So yeah, super bomb. I love these and I cannot wait to go back and purchase, you know, the rest of her inventory, okay? So yeah, again, I thank you guys so very much for returning back to my channel. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. I love you all. Stay safe and stay blessed. And I look forward to seeing y'all in the next one.